Prepare to be whisked away to a world of pure banana bliss. Soft, moist, and heavenly coffee and banana aroma. These coffee banana muffins are here to satisfy your cravings and leave you craving for more. It's the perfect dessert or snack idea. Start by lining muffin pan with muffin liners, or try this baking paper hack. 12 pieces 5 by 5 inches baking paper. Use a glass or any cylindrical object to shape the paper into muffin liners. Place liners into muffin pan and set aside. To make the muffins, we will need 3 overripe bananas. Peel off the bananas. Transfer in a mixing bowl. Mash using a fork until completely mashed. Crack and add 2 eggs. Mix until eggs are fully incorporated. Tip in 1/2 cup brown sugar, followed by 1/2 cup white sugar. Mix well until sugar dissolves. Pour 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon coffee essence. Scrape any remaining essence if needed. Mix until ingredients are fully combined. Using a fine mesh sieve, sift 1½ cup cake flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Sifting these ingredients makes light and fluffy muffins. Mix and stir until batter is smooth. Pour 2 scoops of batter into the prepared muffin liners. Set aside. Elevate your muffins with streusels. 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup brown sugar, 3 tablespoons oats, 40 grams butter. Knead by hand until rough dough forms. Place small bits of streusels on top of butter. Bake in a preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 160 Celsius. Cool down, serve and enjoy. Follow Amiable Foods for more delicious recipes.